Something very different, yes. Please welcome the Czech Air Force, the Aero Vodochody L-159. So, missions of close air support to ground forces, reconnaissance, and to a limited extent, air combat missions. Two-seat version, of course, also available. You see flying for flight training. The prototype first took off in the 2nd of August 1997. Display, Pavel puts it through its high G and high energy maneuvers before slowing it down a little bit about halfway through. So you'll see max rate G turns and inverted work before he goes into slightly more quieter, graceful display. So the aircraft is derived from the Aero L-159A ALCA. The Czech Air Force ordered 72 of these aircraft in April 1995. Maiden flight of the 159 occurred on the 4th of August 1997 with a two-seat version. The single-seat flying the following year in August 1990. Designed exclusively for Czech customer specifications, the first delivery to the Air Force was in April 2000. Driven by an Allied Signal ITEC F124 100 jet engine, maximum thrust. The aircraft is provided by the Sky Guardian 200 radar receiver and the Yeovilton Vicon passive jammer. In that long nose, you say, they need that extra space, is also the Italian multi-purpose Doppler radar, which completes the full package of electronic equipment on this particular aircraft. Meters. Designed and built these was originally owned 50% by the Czech government and 35% by Boeing. Coming now with gear down, you see, into a slower pass, and he's going to perform now a tricky maneuver because slowish roll with the undercarriage down. Flying that at just 180 knots. Trainers, of course, the cockpit arrangement and the controls of this 159 ALCA. The ALCA standing, of course, for the Advanced Light Combat Aircraft. They correspond very much to the future aircraft that the pilots will move on to. In this case, the Jazz 39 Gripen, which you'll see flying later on this afternoon. All the multifunction displays and the hands-on stick and throttle to enable continuity of training right through to the front line. So well done, Pavel. If you can see him, do give him a wave. For these guys all working very hard to entertain you over the course of the weekend, and of course these guys travelling the furthest to be here with us.